Hey everybody, sitting in the house today, and it's been kind of stormy and rainy today, but the weather quit, and here comes my boy. But sitting in the house, got bored, and I thought I'll go work on my little Mustang too. So got out here, and here's some stuff that I found in it, because all this stuff had just been thrown in there. So, and there goes my dog. So we got that right there. That should be the back seat, and I don't know why the tire was in there. But over here, well, here's the inside. Hadn't vacuumed or nothing yet, but apparently some old hubcaps from it, and floors are decent. That spot over there definitely gotta be repaired, and some surface rust. But got that right there. And looks like possibly a transmission to come out of it, and the dash, or not the dash, the console, gauge cluster. Okay, that's what it is, gauge cluster, and the front seats. So, and something my boy and I has been wondering is what was in the trunk of this thing. So I don't think it's going to be all that valuable, but as far as what's in the trunk. But here it is. Little distributor. But anyways, I'm working on cleaning this out and just give you a little bit of update up on it. And still pretty sure I'm going to put a V8 in this thing, but what kind of V8? Just have to wait and see. Alright, see y'all. Alright, I got some of it cleaned out, and underneath the hood here, I've still got to clean all this stuff out here, or most of it, and still kind of just trying to decide what I'm going to put in it, but like I said, it's definitely going to be a V8. And then cleaned out the interior some, and like I said, that needs that hole filled over there, and I don't even know if you can buy floor pans for these. But a little surface rust behind there, but the seats are decent, they could be recovered. And then cleaned out all that junk that was in the back, and believe it or not, this is actually pretty solid in here. And just, let's see. Anyways, I'm just gonna let y'all kind of see what I've been working on with this thing a little bit, and probably gonna work under the hood tomorrow. We're gonna get it, put the hood back on it, and just see how that goes. So anyways, gonna piddle with this little car a little bit. Anyways, y'all have an awesome week, and God bless. See y'all.